was a snowy night last night. Oh, done shoveling our back deck so we can go out that way. Now I gotta see what's up with our tuba. Oh, snow. Oh, snow. It's not starting to melt off this tree. Whew. Oh no. This is broken. Yeah, it is broken. Well, the good thing is our power didn't went off. Wow. Whew. Map collection. Oh, it's frozen. I gotta get thawed out. Oh, there's snow in here. Got snow inside. Got snow. Oh wow. There's nothing flowing in. It's white everywhere. It's pretty, very pretty. It wasn't too bad last night, but it was worrisome. Well, it's a little bit better than the ice storm we had a few days back. That was really scary. Creaking and cracking of the trees when we were inside the house. Look at that ice. Snow. The tree branches. Oh, look at see the stream here. Oh, it was flowing. We're just happy that the sun popped out. It's a beautiful view. It is beautiful. It's white everywhere. The snow in the branches looks like cotton. Cotton hanging in there. All right, that's it for now.